Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is MD and my ID is 66. Our given topic is neural network time series to Matlab. So at first, these are our contents, that is introduction, why time series is needed, biological, and our topic time series method, sample problem, conclusion, and difference. At first, we want to say what is neural network. Neural network is the correlation of the processing units, and it is normally based on the animal neuron. Here you are seeing the possible network for a given input and for a given output. There are many paths you can obtain a desired result by following any one of them. Now, why do we need this? Because we need this neural network. It is a time series prediction. We can predict data from previous data, and it is generally based to establish graphics user interface, and it is complex situation and less mathematical time is needed in this process. Neural network application, we can apply this any many field like pattern recognition, clustering, time series prediction, functional automation, approximation, etc. Neural network applications are forecasting, banking, finance, industrial, manufacturing, defense, securities. This portion will be discussed by Mohammad Sami. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammad Sami and my ID is 150206. Now I am going to describe our biological neural network. Here we can see a picture of biological neural network. And what's that? External signal received by pen drives. External signal processed in a neural cell body. Processed signal converted to an output signal. Signal transmitted through axon, and finally output signal received by the dendrites. Then the advantages of the neural network. What are these? A great capacity in predicting models suitable for non-mathematical models capable of capturing interactions between predictors, powerful it can model complex functions, and less powerful statistical knowledge required, where trustworthy predictions are much older. There are some disadvantages also. Operating of neural network needs to train. Takes long time to process of large neural networks. Quality predictions needs large amount of data, large complexity of network structures. Now I would like to call Mr. Rajan again to do his parts. So
In this portion, I will give an instruction how to use neural network time series network. At first, we have to set some input data and target output data. Or it can be done by direct command with n and start. After this interface, you will select time series L. By selecting this, we will select any one of them. The first one is normally selected for the financial purpose. Second one is used for data prediction from previous data, and the third one is almost same of first one. So we are selecting second one. After selecting this, we need to take some inputs and outputs, or we can select load data from external sources like from Excel. After selecting input and output, we will select next. Okay. Now here are some data set needed. There are many heat exchanger, PS neutralization process. For example, we are selecting PS neutralization process. After selecting PS neutralization process, we need to set some criteria like how much data we want to set. Like we are setting 70% data for training, 15% for validation, and 15% for other purpose. Now we will see select next. Now the next portion will be covered by soil account.
Thank you, everyone. Hello, this is Matlab, and I'm gonna describe the next steps. Here you can see then we can set the number of hidden layers and the number of delays. In number of hidden layers is 2 and number of delays is 2, and we will hit next for the further. Then, as we have stated the percentage of training, validation and testing, we will now change the network. And the training continued until the validation error failed to decrease to 6 iterations. Here you can see this is the auto correlation plot. Another plot click autocorrelation. This is to validate the network performance, and you can see in the x-axis there is the lag, and the y-axis there is a correlation, and this is the confidence limit, and this is the maximum correlation, which is actually 0. And another plot click time series response. This displays inputs, targets, and errors versus time. This also indicates which time points were selected for training, testing, and validation. As you can see in the Y, there are different ligands which are decided that training targets, training outputs, validation targets, validation outputs, T points, targets, T test outputs, test inputs, and errors and response. So we can easily identify these things by these plots. And if we are satisfied with the result, then click next. Use this panel to generate a vector function or simulate diagram to simulate our network. Finally, after creating the code, we can create the code. We need to just click here, and you can create also some other just as a command file or a script file. You can all generate these files from this neural network. You just need to tick in that point, these points, and click finish. Here's the conclusion was, so neural network is an amazing tool. By this we can forecast by using past data. It's very essential for device forecasting, as you can note that time series can be used as hand in handy. Very smooth is the interface, which makes more easier to find out the data, and we can easily compare between the data, as you can see in the different plots. And I have the references we have used in these slides. And thank you for your attention. That's all from us.